Hello everyone, this is Bianca Isabel and we are here today at the Tagaytay Basketball League 2024 and it's the elimination game today, and our first game for today is between the Lisals team and the Nano Protect team with a score of 171 and 120 in favor of the Lisals team. So congratulations to the Lisals team, and our best player of the game is here with me today. We have Mr. Willie Gatpandan with a total points of 51 points, 11 assists, and 15 rebounds. So congratulations, Sir Willie. How does it feel? Anong nafe-feel mo ngayon na best player ka?
Before anything else, thank you muna kay Lord kasi nagkaroon kami ng magandang games. No? But syempre sa mga team ko na nag-extend ng effort para manalo din. No? And syempre medyo ito yung chance para ma-practice pa namin yung samahan namin. So thank you Lord.
Talaga. And ano naman yung naging mindset ng team today and even you yourself, Sir Willie, kasi elimination game itong game natin today?
Honestly, initially, ang point lang namin sa larong ito is ma-enjoy yung laro. Sabi ko, matalo manalo, enjoy lang natin yung game. Importante kasi pasok na rin naman kami sa elimination. So, malaking bagay lang din na nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon matimpla yung blending ng team. So, it's a good turn pa din.
Well, ang ganda nga ng gameplay ng Lisals team kanina. And what do you think naman, Sir Willie, no, the team needs to work on to maintain yung ganitong klaseng teamwork nyo in and out of the game?
Well, nung mga nakaraang game naman, medyo gumaganda na. Kasi kung mapapasin mo, for 4 consecutive games na nanalo na kami. So sabi ko, ayun, lumalabas na yung laruan tropa. Ang importante lang kasi sa amin yung teamwork, no? Maganda yung pasahan, nag-e-effort lahat. And yun yung biggest factor palagay ko.
For all of your wins for the past few weeks, no? And since maglalaro na kayo sa quarterfinals, right? And ano naman ang i-expect namin for the Lisals team and even you yourself, Sir Willie, para sa next game?
Yung makapasok kami dito sa quarterfinals, masaya na ako. Sobrang kasing ganda ng nabuo, especially yung commissioner natin. Sobrang ganda ng ginawa niyang liga. So para dito kahit malaglag ka, walang talo, panalo talaga kasi nagkaroon ng magandang samahan, nakabuo kami ng and hopefully magkaroon tayo ng maraming ganitong klaseng liga.
Marami pang teams.
Correct.
Na maka-join. Alright, and do you have any shoutout or any message to anyone?
Yan, siyempre. Salamat sa asawa ko na very supportive sa every games namin. So, ganun din sa kapatid ko, sa pamilya nila, at saka sa lahat ng mga supporters namin. So, yun lang. Basta salamat kay Lord na bigyan kami ng pagkakataon makapaglaro ng maganda.
Actually, ang Lisals team palagi pa maglalaro sila, napakaraming cheerleader sa bench. Alright, well once again, congratulations to the Lisals team and of course our best player of the game, Mr. Willie Gatpandan.